and Keith Interiors are always there waiting for people like you and to give you the best. And today, I want to take you through what I have done in this project for a span of 2 weeks. Now we are in the second week and I am shooting to just show you what I've done. I am excited for you people to see. Let's go in. Once again, guys, thank you for taking your time to watch our episode. Today, I want to show you our final reveal, almost final, but our final reveal of the kitchenette that we have been doing in Dennis Pritt Road. You remember last time I showed you this kitchen when we were just doing the fabrications and actually demolitions were ongoing, foodies were busy on site, and at that particular time, we were just running against time because the holidays were just around the corner, because I remember it was around the 24th, 23rd, 22nd thereabout, and people were closing for Christmas and we had to leave when the kitchen was almost ready. So we managed to make sure the counters were fixed, the tiles had been fixed, the cabinets that were the carcasses had been fixed, and most of the things had been fixed apart from now the final cabinet doors and a few other touch-ups. And today I just want to take you through what we did. And today my approach about our presentation will be different. I will tell you everything that we have done on that kitchen because it's a tiny kitchenette. And then when I walk in, I just take a fly through around so that you see what we've been doing. So for those people who didn't actually take time to watch our previous video, in this particular video, we were actually revamping a kitchen that another contractor or another subcontractor had done. And what happened is this contractor did this kitchen, I think, 3 times. And when we came in, what happened? We had to demolish what had been done. And those are the stories sometimes I tell you guys before you commission a project. Maybe, for example, if you're doing a kitchen or you're doing your interiors, please have some 3D drawings or have some drawings that you look at. And for example, if it is a designer or an interior designer or a subcontractor working on your kitchen, you and him, please have something tangible that you are referring to. Most clients start doing their projects without any drawing. In our cases, before we do anything, we will have to do a 3D drawing for you so that whatever we are supplying to you, you exactly know how it will look. Secondly, whatever we are quoting, you exactly know what you're quoting. So by the time we come to the site, what we are installing is what you exactly know. And most of the times, these repeat jobs always come about because people don't have any tangible record in terms of design, in terms of drawing, in terms of layout, in terms of material, in terms of anything someone is supplying to you. So you end up, once the designer or once the contractor has come to the site and they've started installing the materials, that is the time you realize that this is not what I intended to get from this particular person. And at that particular time, that is when you start asking each other's questions. Questions like, is this what we agreed? Is this what I paid for? And those are the things most of the times we try to avoid as much as possible. So in this particular project, we removed all the things that this person had already installed, and that is already a cost that this client has already incurred. And I was told that this project took this subcontractor almost 2 months to do because they were doing these things and they ended up not being what they had approved. So they had to repeat again, bring it, and it ended up not being what the client wanted. And at last, now it had to force this client to just take it up the way it was. And they used the kitchen for a while, but they were not happy. And when you're not happy and you really want the best for yourself, it forces you at some point to come back and do it right. and Keith Interiors are always there waiting for people like you and to give you the best. And today, I want to take you through what I have done in this project for a span of 2 weeks. That is the 1 week with that particular period before the closure of Christmas, and then 1 week during the week of January. Now we are in the second week, and I am shooting to just show you what I've done. I am excited for you people to see. Let's go in. So guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch our episode. And as usual, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and on our social media pages at kthinteriorz, where style meets elegance. Adios.